Hi, boys and girls. Okay, let me tilt it down a little. There we go. Okay. Now, today is Tuesday, and it is January the 26th. Okay, so let's put that up here on our morning message. Okay, here we go. What letter is that? That's a T. And it's a special word. It's a day of the week, so it's going to be a capital T. T U E S D A Y. Then a comma, and then our month. What month are we in? January. And when it's a month of the year, just like a day of the week, it's a special word, like your name and my name. So it's like Tuesday starts with the capital. January is going to start with the capital. January. And what day? The 26th. Comma, what year? 2021. Okay. Then how can we write it in a short way? Well, we know Tuesday could be written Tues, period. That's a short way of saying Tuesday. January, we could write that as Jan, period. Okay. Now, how can we write the date in a short way? Well, we know January is what month? Number 1. Okay. We could put a little hyphen or a line. And what's the number? 26. And then a line. And then what? 21. And we could do it also if we want to do it with a slash mark. That's another way. It's the same way. So 1, that's January, the 26th day, year 2021. Okay, so, oops. Okay, now our sentence. Our sentence is, okay, here we go. I'm thinking of all these things about letters and words and then to make a sentence. Okay, here we go. I like flowers. Okay, let's write it. Count the words. I like flowers. So we know how to write the word I. The word I is what? We gotta write the blank. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. I like flowers. Okay. Now we know that I all by itself is always a capital. And when we start a sentence, it always has to be a what? A capital. Okay, there's our capital I. Next word, like. L. What letter is that? L. I. That's one of those bossy letters. Remember we've talked about it could be A, E, I, O, and U. And those letters are called vowels. And those letters can sometimes be a little bossy. Yeah, they make us say their name. So L, I. That would be the letter I. L, I, k. That could be a K or a C. I'm going to write a K because I know it's a K. But if you wrote a C, that's okay. L, I, k. Okay. Now let's stop right here and remind our families that it is perfectly fine for us to spell things the way we hear them. Okay? We do not need to spell them correctly. Okay? For us to learn how to spell, we have to write what we hear. So that's what I'm teaching. I'm teaching all of our friends to write the sounds they hear. Now we know how to spell it correctly, and Miss Mann knows how to spell it correctly. but we're not going to worry about that. What matters is that we're putting down and we're putting a letter for every sound. Okay? That's what matters. So let's read it again. I like. Now let's stretch like. L. Okay, that's the L. Lie, I. That's the I. Lie, I, k. There's the K. I like. Last word. Flowers. That's a lot of sounds. F, f, f. What letter is that? F, f, f. That's an F. Good. Okay, now what's the next sound? Fl, l. Hey, that's just like. L, 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 l. Okay, let's stretch it again. Ow, 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 w, 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 w. Flower. That's an R. Flow, w, w, w. What was that letter I just wrote? W, w, w. Flower. That's an R. Flowers. More than one, so it has to have an S. And we know that S because we talked about it yesterday. Flowers. I like flowers. And remember, we could either put a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark at the end of our sentence. We can just put a period. Now let's read it. Let me use my pointer. I like flowers. Yeah, good job. Okay. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to take another color and we're going to look for some letters that we know. Because we have talked about what letters? M and S. Remember? M and S. So we're going to see if there's an M in here. Is there an M here? No. M in here in like? No. M in flowers? No. What about S? No S in I. S in like? No. S in flowers? Yes. Right there. Very awesome. Very good. Okay. You have done a fabulous job. I'm so proud of you. Good job, friends. You've paid attention. You've listened. Now you can always go back if you want to listen to it again, okay? And get your Etch-a-Sketch or a piece of paper and you can practice writing the letters like what I'm doing, okay? Let's count how many words. 1, 2, 3. Now we didn't count and put our 1 and numbers 2s and 3s up here. Okay, let's do that. 1 word, 2 words, and 3 words. There are 3 words in this sentence. Okay. Now, how many sentences did I write? Just 1 sentence. I started with a capital and I ended with a period. Yeah. Now in a few weeks, we're going to start maybe putting 2 sentences on a line. Yeah, I know you can do it. You're pretty smart. You're pretty awesome. Okay, guys, make it a great day. I will see you later. Bye, guys.